Sure. Not an easy question. Maybe one of the things that a company needs to decide on is what is their volume. So in the United States, essentially nothing is free. So that's, as long as you keep that in mind, then you can kind of, not have a sticker shock, essentially. And it's not that it's costly in the United States on the banking side. It's not. But what we do is, for everything that we do, there's a cost involved. So one of the first things we bankers will ask the client is, what's the volume? What's the volume of transactions, and how much do you think you're going to put into your bank account? Part of that is the volume for all those different things that we talked about, the ACH, the wires. There's a cost involved with all of those things. Technically speaking, some of that's very cheap. ACH is 19 cents, or if you have a certain bank setup, it's free. Wires can be very costly. So we have essentially setups where, especially in commodity type trading companies, there's a lot of wires going on. So that can be very costly. So it's very important to figure out what the volumes are and what kind of transactions your expectations are. And then as you go to the potential banks that you want to work with or get a sense for, you start asking them, you say, okay, I expect to have this much on my bank account. I expect this volume. And of course it changes over time. And then that's another reason why you want to talk to your banker from time to time, is as things change, there's different packages as well to help minimize the cost that you would incur. So just to give you a sense of what costs have looked like in the past, because again, banks have the discretion to change their pricing over time and change things up. But these days we have, for just a startup, typically we'll start around $40 a month to get all the online services available to these smaller companies, and then they can start doing ACHs and real-time payments and wires. And they'll get a little bit of those for free as part of the package. And then once they go above that level, then they'll start paying for the transactions. The next level is like $129 a month. And those are what we call a bit more of the middle market. There's a lot going on. They have pretty good revenues going on in the United States. They have a good inflow of invoices. And then above that, then it just becomes a situation of where are the transactions going. We try to talk to our clients at least once a year, see where they are at, how things are going, and then adjust based on the packages and the transactions that's going on. And so again, people don't always like talking to their bankers because they got more important things to do. We get it. But if the pricing becomes expensive, we can't always, help right away to make sure that everything is adjusted in accordance to expectations.